Welcome to Data Sweeper Technical Training. In this training module, I'm going to show you how to install the Data Sweeper app. The Data Sweeper app is not yet available in the Google Play Store, so you'll have to bring the file in manually. In this case, I brought it in with my Google Drive, and I placed it in a directory on the internal storage. The directory I called DS Scripts, and I'll explain that in a subsequent video. And in the DS Scripts directory, I've got the Data Sweeper app. So I'm going to simply double click on it to launch it. It just wants me to confirm if I want to install the app, and I do, so I'm going to reach down and click install. It's kind of hiding behind the Mobizen logo there, but when I touch install, it'll start the install process. Now the app is installed. Again, it's behind the Mobizen logo, but I'm going to click on the open. Now I'm going to read down through the license agreement, scrolling all the way down to the bottom, and reading every single word, and then I'm going to go ahead and accept license. Now it's going to sit there and ask me some system questions, and we're going to allow them all. Photos and media access, contacts access, and now it's asking me about overlay, and I do want it to be an overlay app. So now I'm going to activate the overlay access, and then I'm going to back button. And now on the bottom, on the right-hand corner behind the Mobizen logo, it says activate. I'm going to touch activate. And now it wants to activate the license. There are a couple ways to activate the license on your Data Sweeper app. One is if you have Vantage installed in your enterprise and you're using this along with Vantage, you can type in a Vantage URL. But for the purposes of this training video, we'll do the user license instead. So I'll click on that. And I was given a user license number that I'll type in right here. My license number is 917-405-4422. This license number is unique and assigned to this particular tablet, and it can't be reused on any other tablet. So now I'm going to go ahead and click enter. And now the app is activated. You can see the app is full screen running here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the home button. It's not on the home screen, but if you go to the app drawer, there's Data Sweeper right here. Touch and hold down, and I will add it to my home screen. So that's how you install Data Sweeper.